Hi, today I'll show you how to take cheap wood and make it look way more expensive. No complicated tools, no expensive machines, and no extra costs. Instead of hiding the grain, we're going to enhance it and actually use it. Here are 5 techniques that can completely change how wood looks and make it feel premium. Technique number 1, burning the wood. This is one of the easiest ways to completely transform the look. When you apply fire, the soft fibers burn faster while the hard ones stay, which creates a strong contrast in the grain. You can use a gas torch or even natural fire. It all depends on the result you want and the tools you have. After burning, clean the surface with a stiff brush to remove loose soot and reveal the texture. Even though charring creates some protection, you still need to apply oil or another finish to lock in the effect and add depth. It also helps prevent soot from getting on your hands or clothes because it never comes off completely. Safety matters. Work outside or in a well-ventilated space. Never leave fire unattended and always keep water or a fire extinguisher nearby. Technique number 2, wire brushing. This is a mechanical way to remove soft fibers using a metal brush. What you get is a harder structure and a textured surface. Important, this only works on soft wood. On hard wood, you won't get a good result. The easiest way is using a drill or grinder attachment, but eye protection is a must. At high speed, small metal wires can break off and seriously damage your eyes. After brushing, the wood looks rougher, deeper, and no longer feels cheap. With the right stain or paint, you can even give it an aged look. Technique number 3, staining and color choice. The key here is not just applying color, but understanding that the final result depends on the stain you choose. The same piece of wood can either look like an expensive material or be completely ruined. Water-based, alcohol-based, oil-based, they all give different results. Always test on scrap pieces because wood reacts differently. If done right, the color looks deep and natural, not like paint sitting on top. Technique number 4, whitewashing. This is a way to remove the yellow tone and make the wood lighter and more neutral. You can use special chemicals or impregnating oils. White pigmented finishes soak into the wood instead of just sitting on top while still keeping the grain visible. This makes the material feel lighter and more premium. It works especially well when you want a clean, soft look. Interiors with this finish look expensive and calm. Technique number 5, fake live edge. A perfectly straight board looks basic. If you add irregular edges, chips, and slight waves, it starts to look more natural. You can do this with hand tools or power tools. Then you can add small and rough imperfections and even enhance them with brushing. Combined with other techniques, a regular board starts to look unique instead of something from a store. If you already have a board with a natural edge, it's even easier. Just clean off the bark, sand it, and you're done. There's no such thing as bad, cheap wood. With a bit of creativity and effort, it can turn into a designer piece. Spend some time studying good examples and choosing the right finish, and the result will surprise you. If this was useful, like and subscribe. Write in the comments which technique you would try or already use in your projects. Stay tuned. Here, it's only practical, proven stuff.